Since everyone wishes to know why I make but a half a song, I shall tell them the truth not long, because I have but half a reason to show. So I must cut my singing in half, you see, for I love one who will not love me. And since of love there is but the half in me, well, must all my song be halved in its decree. Have I set my will in it, that for yes I will take the no, and so I love better the hope of her I know than to have reward from another bit by bit. For she has no peer in beauty's light, in welcoming nor in honoring our right. So my heart is in her, so firmly set and true, that in love's law no other in the world will do. To all her will I give myself and yield and grant me so. Mercy ought to avail me as I live, yet hers I shall be, yet hers also. For love makes me so desire her wherever I go, that I can do naught else for will. And so much to her wisdom and beauty please, that I must love her though she loves me no ease. You know why I should rejoice and sing, pleasing lady, because I dare to think and bring that yet through you I might be